Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to see how to auto adjust column width in Excel. All right, so let's see. So we have this data in this place, and I'm going to copy all of these. So just Control C. I'm going to paste it over here. And when I will paste it, you can see the size of the column width has been changed, right? It's not like the way it was in the previous Excel, right? So what I need to do is, one way is double click on each of this column and it will adjust the column width. This is the one way. Another way, you can say, let's again copy it and then paste it over here, and after that press shift and enter, so that it will select all these three columns. And then when you get this plus sign like this, double click and it will adjust all three columns at once. One more way is, let's copy it and create a new, and over here paste it, and then if you want to adjust it, go to the format, and from format you can select auto fit column width, and then it will adjust the width of all three columns. Thank you.